Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. This is our therapy session. Oh, I mean our dance session. I always think dance is therapy, right? So let's learn,
Christy, there's no
get ready for it.
It's just ready for it.
Also called This Is It, 48 counts. Don't worry. High beginner, intermediate dance. That is too much fun. Here we go. First 8 is a hop, a jump forward with some shaking hips and then hopping back with shaking hips. So first 8 steps are hop forward and shake it, hop back and shake it. Second 8, we tap front with our right foot and side with our right foot, then a sailor step. Good, then we do the same thing on the left side. Tap forward with the left, tap to the side with the left, and a left sailor step. With counts from the top, starting with the right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Then we do our touch, turn, coaster, step, touch, kick and turn, coaster, step. Okay, so the next 8 is touch, quarter turn over your right shoulder to the 3 o'clock wall, and a kick and a coaster step. Then we do it with the left foot to the front. Touch, kick, and a coaster step. All right, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Next 8. Rocking chair and a paddle turn over our left shoulder, a quarter with 2 hip rolls. So the rocking chair, rock forward, back, left, rock back, right, step left. Then we do 2 paddle turns, right, right, quarter. We just do 2 of them, and you can roll your hips with it. So hip roll and a hip roll. Good. And with counts, next 8 from the top, 5 with counts, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Next 8. Really fun, goes with music so well. You stomp or rock to the right, back on the left, and then a weave with the right foot starting behind. Behind, side, cross. Then we do the same thing to the left. Rock or stomp, back, weave. Yes. So it's a stomp, but I have to think of it as a rock recover. If I think of it as a stomp, I'm going to stay there too long. So I think of it as a rock, weave, and rock, and weave. A rock, recover, and a weave, and a rock, recover, and a weave. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Last 8. Another rocking chair with the right foot to the 9 o'clock wall, rock, and rock. Then we do 4 stomps, quarter turn, kind of similar to the paddle, but they're stomps now. And we do 4 stomps over our left shoulder, quarter turning to the back wall because this is a 2-wall dance. So we do stomp, 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 stomp. So instead of paddle, we stomp it out. 3, 4. Fun, huh? And the counts are the last 8, the 6th 8 of the 48. The last one is a rocking chair and 4 stomps, turning a quarter over our left shoulder to the 6 o'clock wall. And again, it goes with the music really well. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 2 walls, and we do the same thing on that wall. No tags, no restarts. Let's review those the steps with words one more time. So we start with our hop forward, hop back. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump forward, shake it, jump back, shake it, touch, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, sailor step, and touch, kick, coaster step, touch, kick, coaster step. Rocking chair, paddle it, paddle, paddle. Now we stomp, rock, and we stomp, and a weave, and a rocking chair, and a stomp it out. Fun, huh? Okay, with counts from the top on the our 12 o'clock wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a variation that some people do, so I love to tell you about it. So on the back wall, the 6 o'clock wall, sometimes when they do the hop forward, instead of shaking their hips, they do heels. So it would look like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Just heel swivels. Something fun. Or you can still do the shake. And back. Okay, how fun. The 48 counts don't look so challenging now, right? Just fun steps. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. Come back. Bye-bye.